every year on Australia Day, I take the time and a bit of a pause to remember my generations before me. And one thing that I've been taught by my father, who was taught by his father, and his father before him, was a bit of camp oven cooking, cooking on the open fireplace. So I wanted to take you on a journey this morning with a beautiful leg of lamb, baked veggies and a damper on the campfire. So we've got a nice good leg of lamb here. It's about a 1.1 kilo leg, and what we're going to do, it's got a bone in it. That way it will cook more evenly and not so quickly. Rub a bit of flour over the top of it. So then we pop a little bit of oil on it, a bit of olive oil over the top. And I also use a little bit of seasoning over the top. You can use whatever you like. I've got some rosemary, some chilies, just some fresh sprigs of rosemary over the top. Now with a 1.1 kilo of lamb, you cook it for about 30 minutes for every half a kilo. So we're going to look at about an hour, hour and a half. We've got a good coal bed here on the fire. Pop some great coals around it, and that will then form our oven. Okay, so what we're doing now is preparing the veggies. A couple of spuds, we'll do about 2 or 3 spuds, some carrots, some sweet potato and some pumpkin. Nice little sizes because then they'll cook nice and evenly. These go on about 40 to 45 minutes before the lamb's ready. Hey girls, chook chook, chook chook chook. Here you go. What we're going to do, we're going to make a beer damper. So it's about 3 cups of flour. I use just roughly a spoonful of butter. And what we're going to do, we're just going to rub that through the flour. And so it's self-raising flour that we're using. It's got that bit of raising agent in it. It makes a nice fluffy damper. See, once it's just like breadcrumbs. So what we'll do, just throw a few Italian herbs, in. Sprinkle it over. Parmesan cheese. Save some, because we'll throw that on the top so we've got a nice cheesy top. A little bit of tasty cheese. Again, save some for later so we can throw it on the top. A couple of spring onions, we just chop. Oh, sounds good. It smells good. Nothing like making a damper. Gives it that nice yeasty taste, the beer does. See how that's nice and sticky? And just nice and floury on the outside. Just roll it a little bit. And into the oven it goes. The secret to making sure it cooks well, you've got to check it and check it and check it. So we'll be checking it every 15 to 20 minutes. So we've got plenty of coals, that's nice and hot. We won't need to put any more on there. Okay, so we're going to double check on this damper just to make sure it's not cooking too quick. Ah, look at that, coming good. Okay, I'm happy with that. Oh, now we've got a gap there. That's it. I've got a little bit of lamb Slovakia seasoning. It's just gorgeous on your taters. Just sprinkle a bit over them. Sprinkle a bit of oil over them, just like that. And away we go. Oh, she's looking cool. Sounds hollow. We're going to cut it up and have some of this with our leg of lamb and veggies. Lovely juices coming out of that. Oh, nicely cooked. These are looking really good. Onions done nice. Carrots real crispy. Camp oven's beautiful. Gives you that nice smell of the smoke. Beautiful heat. Oh, she's cooked lovely. A little bit of butter on that and away we go. Okay, who's hungry? Come and get it. Dinner's ready. Here you go, mate.
Thank you.
Awesome. Come on, Rob.
Thanks.
I hope it's okay, Jules.